welcome to Tidbit Tuesdays with Rae, where on Tuesdays I'll share recipes, give tips, and answer any questions you all may have about rheumatoid arthritis. Our question for today is there a cure for rheumatoid arthritis? There is no cure for rheumatoid arthritis, but it can go into remission. Treatments are getting better all the time, sometimes to the point a drug and lifestyle regimen can stop the symptoms in their tracks. Thank you for joining me today. If you have any questions about rheumatoid arthritis, please feel free to write them below, send me a DM on Instagram, or email me at raventakesra@gmail.com. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. See you next Tuesday.